solve 500 to the power of 500 over 250 to the power of 250 equals what? So first of all, we're going to split this. 500 can be written as 250 plus 250 over, we have 250 to the power of 250. And now we are going to use this law. You have a to the power of m plus n. You can just split them, a to the power of m times a to the power of n. Now let's do that. So we have 500 to the power of 250 times 500 to the power of 250 over, we have 250 to the power of 250. It's 500 to the power of 250 times 500 to the power of 250 over, we have 250 to the power of 250. So we can use this. A to the power of n, b to the power of n is equal to a over b whole to the power of n. So you can apply that. So what do we get? 500 to the power of 250 times 500 over 250 whole to the power of 250. And that's equal to the power of 250 times 2 to the power of 250. Now we can use this law, a to the power of n times b to the power of n. You can just club them up, a to the power of b whole to the power of n. So what do we get? 500 times 2 whole to the power of 250, and that's equal to 1000 whole to the power of 250, and that's equal to 10 cube whole to the power of 250 is equal to 10 to the power of 750, and that's your answer.